everyone. Hello, I'm here. Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary. Today, I'm going to share with you a couple of new things. Yeah, added to my makeup collection. Recent ones. The moment of joy with my Viseart Libertine palette. This is the recent one in my collection. You all know my love for Viseart eyeshadows, right? If you watch my channel, I'm sure you are aware of that fact. And now, this is the recent one. I did not play with this palette yet. This is the first time I'm going to do my color experiments with this gorgeous palette. Look at the colors. You know, I take my time when I make an investment in my makeup collection or palette collection or lipstick collection. By the way, this color is gorgeous, isn't it? I will share the name and the shade name of the lipstick in the description box. And now coming back to my recent Viseart purchase. Welcome to my makeup world. Okay, the key factors in my makeup purchase: color, consistency and quality. And this one is right up my alley, and of course I got into this palette because of the colors. I'm already convinced about the consistency and quality of Viseart eyeshadows. So the third factor, the color, it was calling my name. Yeah, and I'm going to create a look with 3 shades today, and needless to say, I'm going to create a lot of different creative looks with these. You will always get to see those looks on Soma's Makeup Diary, right? So let's jump into it. And 3 colors that drew me into this palette: 1, 2 and 3. Yes, and today I'm going to take those 3 shades to create a beautiful look. As you know, these palettes have mirrors, okay? This one is Libertine, and you are quite aware of this golden hour palette, like sisters to me. Yeah, mirrors are pretty handy. I got this palette on Saturday, and I wanted to create a look with it, but then I thought, why not on camera? So going to get started with this beautiful purple shade. That's my decision maker shade. Yeah, the purple one. There you go. Starting with this purple, you already know about the Editorial Bright's purple shade, and this is a pretty different one than that, and both the shades are absolutely gorgeous. This is the first time I'm playing with this shadow, but it feels like that it's known to me. The quality, the consistency, the pigments are just awesome. A real treat to me. After a long time, I made a palette purchase actually. While playing with the purple, I want to show you my favorite purple from Editorial Brights. Let me show you the swatches of both the purples, because those are the decision maker colors for me. That's why the swatches for you. This is my Editorial Brights purple, Libertine purple. There is a difference, and a significant one. Both the shades are gorgeous. Love the purples. It has a beautiful pinky touch to it, and this one is actually a real purple in my books. I just love the shade, and let me show you the purple effect on my lids. I didn't want to try this palette before. I just wanted to open this palette and play with it on camera and share with all of you. I'm glad I did that, because this surprise element is also very interesting one. The purple is on, so this is a pleasant surprise to me as well, because this is a fun way as well. I knew this palette will perform for me. These are my performer palettes. I just love to play with these. Quick, easy and effective. That's my makeup mantra. And when I work with these palettes, I just feel that, I found my perfect match here. Easy to blend, quick, and absolutely stunning. Love the end result of these eyeshadows. Blending is my key, you all know that. So how is your day going? Let's add a little bit more color to it. I got couple of more things on this weekend from Walmart. I will talk about it pretty soon. New day, new colors today. With my old faithful, going to this gorgeous shade. Just look at it. Now, I always talk about my Beige Royal green. This green. Look at that. This is my Beige Royal green. I'm absolutely mesmerized with this green. I have created a lot of different looks with this one. And now, let me show you the Libertine green. A bluish green teal kind of shade. Just love it. Actually, I can pair these 4 colors together someday and create a look. How about that? I love to mix and match different palettes. And Editorial Brides, Beige Royal, Golden Hour, and my Petite Pro got a new friend. Love the color. Let me use my favorite tool and see how the effect is. How about going on the other eye first, and then we'll do a little something interesting. This twist will also make the look rock. I just love to find different ways to play with my colors. Love the shade, love it. It is a very pretty and a unique shade in my collection. Great. I usually do a lot of research and then I pick a palette. That's my natural way to go for any palette. Even if it takes a couple of months, I'm okay with that. But I need to be convinced about the colors. I need to be convinced about the quality. If the palette is adding a very nice value to my makeup collection, I will definitely go for that. And that is something I always keep in mind. I need to see whether a certain palette is adding value to my makeup collection, because I love to play with colors and I always crave for different shades, and all the shades are pretty unique here. Very, very beautiful. And now I got a beautiful red one as well here, and this one is a gorgeous red shade with some shimmers. Can't wait to play with this one too. So just wait and watch, my friends, and just be playful with the colors. And the twist is this blue one. And this is an interesting fact as well, that these are the 3 shades in the same row that drew me in. Yes, and I'm going to give these 3 shades a tribute today with my look. My professional blending brush from e.l.f. The arrow effect, you know that. The teal and blue combination there. This is the first time I'm using a brand new palette, untouched, on my channel, and it is quite fun. You know what your expectations are with a palette, but what would be the end result that you are just anticipating here? That's interesting too. I think I should add that twist to my channel. The colors are pretty new to me. The formula is well loved. Pretty smoky and pretty intense eye look. I love that. Bringing it down a little. I'm mesmerized with the colors. So bringing that blue shade down a little on my lower lash line. And now the trick How about taking that gorgeous teal shade with my favorite tool? Look at that. Just look at that. Dabbing. So it is my Viseart Libertine Day, and I'm absolutely happy with the palette and can't wait to create different looks with this palette as my standalone palette. At the same time, mix and match with the other Viseart palettes, and maybe with some other staple palettes. I'm thinking of sharing my lovely palettes with all of you. You already know about those palettes that are my staple palettes, but in a nutshell, how about that? Look at that. I mean, this look is pretty party look. Now I'm not going to attend any party today, but still I'm enjoying this look. And it's good to know that I can wear this look some other day. Holiday parties are coming up, you know that. So I'm ready. Look at that. Just look at the color punch and look at the pigmentation and the gorgeous, just gorgeous. Sometimes it is beyond explanation, the feeling I'm getting from this beautiful look and from these shadows. Can't have enough of this purple. Yeah, love the purples. Taking my crease brush, it is a deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going over, over that crease area where I have a hint of blue and a little bit of purple and a little bit of teal, so everything is coming together and giving me a nice look there. Okay, rock the look. Please play with the colors and enjoy your color time, your makeup time. Now I'm thinking of taking this shade as well. Why not? Little bit on my inner corners. Yes, that's a pretty shade too. It has a lot of potential, and you will see. Tune into Soma's Makeup Diary for many looks with this palette. Now this one needs a lot of attention and care because this is the new one, and I will pay this palette a lot of attention, yes. But I'm not forgetting my rest of the fantastic four Viseart palettes, yeah, because those palettes are my cherished ones. And little bit of that shade on my brow bone today because this look is very smoky, and when I go for a super smoky eye, I love to do this trick as well, but I do not do this trick all the time. This is a beautiful buttery shade. Love it. A little bit of dusting. Now, I'm going to use another color. This one. New colors, my friends. Want to use all of them. That's a pretty one too. Nice touch. And this pigment is also very dazzling. Let me show you. Isn't it gorgeous? This is so much fun. The colors are absolutely stunning, and playing with them for the first time and talking to all of you, yeah, that's the fun part. Fun, absolutely fun part. Now, you know what I'm going to do. Yeah, look at the shades. This color scheme is also very nice. Someday I will use this one. Yeah. Alright, my friends, be right back. Pretty happy with the look. Yes, I'm back with my liners and mascara on. Time to say bye to you, but before that, I really wanted to share a little bit something extra with the Libertine palette. Yes, as I was talking about these two nail colors, yeah, this is my recent purchase from Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail Colors line. I love this line because it is very easy, quick and effective one. Let me show you the bristles. Look at that. It's so thick and so fluffy that one coat is all I need on my nail, and it works perfectly well. So I just thought of sharing that with you. And yeah, actually I got connected with Sally Hansen Miracle Gel with this shade. This is the red eye shade, and then two more from the same line. So that's pretty much it. Enjoying the Libertine palette, my friends, and many more looks to come. Keep watching Soma's Makeup Diary. I'll be right here with all of you on my channel. Rock the look, play with the colors, and have a great day. Bye.